$1 million at 50, how far is it going to go in retirement if you want to retire at 55? So I'm showing a different tool to a different video I did earlier that we've got completely free. You can access it at campaignforamillion.com/tools. And this shows you where it goes if you get the typical British growth rate of about 5% per annum. If you get the more recent American growth rate, then you're going to be getting a pension instead of £8,000. So let me just do that again. British, 5,000, American, 8,000. Significant difference from just over a 5-year time horizon. Current age, retirement age, current savings, monthly contributions, and so on. And then all the assumptions which have been worked into there, such as withdrawal rates and so on, are all explained as well for that. So there we go. Now you've got a far better idea of how much you would have in terms of savings and contributions. Not bad if you get the American growth rate and not the British growth rate. Play around with the tools. campaignforamillion.com/tools. Thank you.